Les Beige Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream has long been a staple in both my professional and personal kit, and now their iconic bronzing cream comes in 5 different shades. The embossed swirl has been replaced with the interlocking double C Chanel logo. Today it's a sweltering 32 degrees, so I'm including the #1 de Chanel Serum-in-Mist, the latest edition in the red Camellia skincare range, combining all the beneficial skincare and an easy-to-use revitalising spritz. Having just got back from a very tiring work trip, I thought this was a great time to use a Chanel massage tool to really work the Camellia cream in. After all that hard work, it's time for a spritz. The refreshing scent and the nourishing formula of the Serum-in-Mist, the perfect base to start my makeup. Before I show you all the bronzer, I'm going to start with Les Beige Healthy Glow Foundation in B30. You don't need much, apply a little bit on the back of your hand and blend in with a brush from the centre of your face outward. One of my most important foundation tips for the daytime is always apply in really good light. And try and get used to the idea of foundation being nothing more than a veil, giving the appearance of perfect skin. Because I try not to put my face in the sun, I use foundation as more of a tint because I can have a slight pallor, and then I really blend in with my fingertips until it's completely invisible. Then I'll go in with a denser product that's especially designed for the colour and texture around my eyes. Olive skin like mine goes grey, so a favourite one for me is this long wear colour corrector in Peach. I like skin to look as sheer and transparent as possible, and I only conceal just where I need it. When we think of concealing the under eye area, we often think of lightening, whereas actually what you need is to brighten. That's because the area around the eyes isn't just darker. For me, it's grey. And how you neutralise that grey is with Peach. The same thing applies to old scars or blemishes and blue veins. Have you noticed that I haven't used a beauty blender yet? I'm not against them, especially when I'm in a hurry, but I don't want that solid coverage for the day. Everyone's using tools. However, nothing beats fingertips for really pressing the product in and making it look like it's actually part of your skin. This is especially important in the day. You can see everything in daylight. Making sure I have no excess product, that's as perfect as I'm going to get. I'm now ready for the bronzer. Tan light bronze, tan bronze, tan medium bronze, tan deep bronze, tan intense deep bronze. If you're medium skinned like me, you can skip the foundation and just use a touch of the lightest one, tan light bronze, instead of foundation. I need another spritz. Now I'm going to go in with this one, tan bronze, and I'm going to use it where the sun hits my face. A little bit of contour. This is so easy to use. Down the nose. Being a perfectionist, I'm faffing around. Because this has such a unique glide-on formula, unlike most bronzers, this won't go patchy. It's the most easily blendable product. It's a bronzer, it's a contour, and an eyeshadow too, or anything else you want it to be. When I'm tired or first thing in the morning, my eyes can get quite puffy, so I'm just blending it around my eyes. Creating a shadow just gives them depth, accentuating the shape of the eyes. And now I'm going to try the tan medium bronze. Look at that gorgeous colour. I'm really seeing the bronzing effect with this one. I've never used 2 different bronzers before, and I must say it's quite an effective way of creating a really buildable and natural looking tan. I'm very pale at the moment because it's the longest time since I've been to Ibiza, which has become a bit of a home from home this last 6 or 7 years. This bronzer is Ibiza in a pot. I never miss blush, even with bronzer. Les Beige Healthy Golden Glow Powder in Eclat de Soie. This pink works well with olive skin. Anyone who knows me knows that I never go out without curling my eyelashes. I am obsessed, as I am with Noir Allure mascara. Now I'll give you my favourite mascara application tip. Place a mirror underneath your face, tilting upwards, and look down onto it with your eyes, keeping your head upward. This way you can see the entire length of your eyelashes and control the direction, make sure there's no clogginess, keep them separate, and prevent the mascara from getting on your eyelid. Then reverse this when doing your bottom lashes. Looking up into a mirror lifts the lashes away from the skin for a perfect application. I'm one of those overplucked in the 90s girls, so I'm quickly filling and thickening with a microfine defining eyebrow pencil before going deeper with a deep bronze, a a chocolate brown, slightly satiny gold that works so beautifully on the eyes. The glide-on formula makes the blending so effortless. And now, one last thing before I go out. Can you guess? The revitalising mist is the perfect way to set your makeup. Hey Red Camellia, you're coming with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.